there we have it. What a recovery that was. $648 profit on the day, but I was actually down over $350. That trade made me over $1,000 on this recovery for dgaz. Absolutely amazing when it came down to where I sold. And just so we can double check this, ended up selling at 162.62. So not a bad sell. I think sold at one of the highest price points. Whoa, that's actually really solid, since I don't normally do that very often. But it still looks like it's uptrending again. Natural gas still looks like it's selling off. How did we see this? Again, we were keeping the Learn Plan Profit team up to date. Natural gas became overbought. It really began to consolidate. It broke below the EMA line. It began to aggressively sell off, and a very consistent pattern. Even breaking below the SMA line, the middle VWAP, it just continued and continued to get rejected by that EMA line. So altogether, again, very happy with the trades. $648 profit, even with a very, very rough start. My first trade was at 7:42 a.m. and my last trade was at 9:56, which you just saw me sell. So just very happy with how my last trade played out. Made over $1,000 on that and recovered from pretty much a $380 loss, if I'm not mistaken. So again, altogether done for the day. Hit my daily goal, $648 profit. If you guys want to be able to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, click the second link down below, learn about the Learn Plan Profit group and see if it's a good fit for you. Or you could also join our free Facebook group. That's that first link down below, so you can connect with like-minded individuals. Again, if you guys like this video, be sure to drop a thumbs up, and also don't forget to comment what you guys plan to trade this week. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.